Something a little different, little sit-down video. Did my hair today, put a cute braid, little tie up something up there. Oh man, just got back from a walk. I walked my dog. It's beautiful outside. It's snowy and beautiful and it smells good. Oh my gosh, it's great. So enjoyed that and came back, and I feel like when you're fasting, it's always just good to keep yourself really busy, because then you just kind of forget about it. You don't get into that mode of thinking, oh my gosh, I need to eat or whatever else. It's good. So I for lunch I'm just using like leftovers. I'll show you a nice little video that I took before I sat down, but yeah, it's like chicken, the leftover beans, if you will. I put some goat cheese on top, a little scoop of fresh salsa, and avocado. So pretty clean, pretty low carb. Messy, but tasty. It's good. So anyway, it's almost like a mini mukbang. Mukbang? You know when people like sit down and eat and they talk to the camera for like a half hour? I won't be doing that to you. Lucky. So, yeah, no, it's really good. So I was actually thinking today, I was like, I need to do some more meal prep, because I find that if I don't have things ready to go, then I just get grabby. And I grab and go for all these things and then I find that like you can still overeat on keto. You can, even if you're eating super low carb and whatever else, you can still throw yourself off. So I'm like, I need to do that. So I think today I'm going to be doing some prep for, I'm going to cook up a bunch of bacon. I'm going to boil some eggs. What else was I going to do? I think I've already chopped up some veggies and stuff like that. So like broccoli, cauliflower, all that kind of stuff in the fridge. So that's always good. And probably just a couple other oddball odds and ends that are helpful to me. So I think that'll be really good. And this next week, I don't think I'm going to be eating super crazy for around the lunchtime when I break my fast. I think I'm going to just keep it really consistent, and maybe even just keep it the same type of meal each day. So my typical go-to for like breaking my fast is usually like a little bit of cheese, some healthy meat, and then I will do like almonds, avocado, olives. Usually that's kind of my favorite, or like pickles. I really like pickles, so I think I might just do that and keep that consistent with that. And then, hard-boiled eggs. That's always good too. And then I will have a shake probably, and then keep that fasted window open till dinner time. So I think that's what I need to do. And I think I definitely need to be more prepared about dinner, because when dinner time comes, I feel just like ravenous. I don't know why. Maybe it's because it's like a witching hour. It's like a super stressful time in our house. So I'm like, ooh, maybe it's like an emotional eating thing. I don't know. People with kids, do you feel me? You feel me? Sorry. At least it's not a dating app video, right? So, anyway, that's what's going on. So, let me know, are any of you guys doing clean keto? Or considering it? And what are your go-to meals? I would like to know. So, anyway, I'm going to finish up my meal here. Make it less mukbangish. Mukbangish? Feels kind of weird saying mukbang. I don't know. So, and then after this, I'm going to make a chocolate perfect keto shake. Not sponsored. And we'll carry on with our day. I think we might go, I'm not sure if we're going to go back to the ice rink today, but my kids love to skate, and it's something great to do for winter. So we just do that. Hello, Midwest North. So, and then, what else? And then we're going to do game night. So I'm looking forward to that. And then we're going to do venison steaks for dinner. Hells yes! It's going to be good. So I'm thinking like steak. And then I'm going to do cauliflower mash with a little bit of bacon and cheese on top. And then broccoli. It's going to be bomb! So, all right, guys. We'll see you in a while. All right, guys. My shake is whipped up. So I like to use the keto chocolate, the perfect keto chocolate, because that is my favorite.
obviously. And then I added a little squirt of the Truvia because I do like a little bit extra sweet to satisfy the sweet tooth. So, and it's just straight up organic stevia leaf, all the good stuff in there. So it's fine. Maybe a little bit on the dirtier side-ish, depending on how picky you are, but this does the trick, so bottoms up. All right, guys, you can tell what time it is. All right. I'm doing a bunch of batch cooking of bacon. I bought several packs of bacon this week, and I am going to be cooking a chunk of it out for tonight. I'm going to be making some cauliflower mash, and then sprinkling with nice crisp bacon on top with some cheese. We've got venison steaks marinating, and I will leave the marinade down in the description box below from allrecipes.com. And yeah, this smells very, very good. So I'm excited. We got a deer this year and we're going to put it to good use. So, all right, let's move over here. As a time saver, I had chopped and cleaned up all the cauliflower that I got from the store. This way is such a time saver when you actually go to cook your meals. So this is 2 heads of cauliflower, and I'm going to put half of this bag in here. I've got my steamer basket in there, and there's a cup of water down in there. And then I'm going to cook it for about 5-6 minutes in there, and it should be good to go. It'll be nice and steamed, soft enough that I can mash it and make it delicious. I swear, I'm always down for making things just super simple and easy, because life already has its own shenanigans going on and everything else. Nope. Just gonna make this, just make it worth your while. Take an extra 20 minutes in your day, half hour, and just slay in your kitchen, right? Chop up all the veggies, clean them, wash them up, and just make your life easier, right? Because we already have enough going on. We already have all this stuff happening. So that's what I'm thinking. Ready for it? Music. Woo-hoo. Okay, so we're gonna put this on pressure cook. 10 minutes. Boom. I'll be all set. So now I need to get my other Instant Pot out and whip up a bunch of boiled eggs. Okay, let's do it. Okay, guys, so what happens is when the 6 minutes is up, I do an instant pressure release. And then I put it in an ice bath with cold water, because then it stops the cooking, or at least significantly slows it down. And it makes a huge difference, especially when you go to peel the shell off. So definitely make the effort to do the ice bath. Some people I've seen put ice like straight into the Instant Pot, but I mean, I don't know. But that's quite counterproductive considering the Instant Pot is hot. So, logistics here. Okay, so oh dear, you like my little shark eyes? So yeah, so there we go. I'm gonna let them sit and cool down, and there we go, boiled eggs. Okay guys, my bacon's done cooking, the eggs are done. I had a little bit of a peeling problem there with the eggs, but it's fine. So, so here's one of my lunches that's gonna be consumed welcomingly in the next couple days. So I got 3 pieces of bacon. I just ripped them in half. And so like looks like it's a lot more, but it's actually 3 pieces just cut in half, 2 boiled eggs, half of an avocado, and 1 ounce of almonds. So, and then I have I feel like everything but the bagel. Oh, everything bagel seasoning. Oh, well, everything but the bagel, right? So that's one day. Okay, so here's the next one. So I have scrambled egg with the seasoning again, more bacon, more avocado. So it's going to be good. Yeah, I'm really excited. So at least I got 2 days sorted there, and I'm going to carry on with some other things. I'm actually going to be chopping up some chicken breast and putting together, I'll just show you. Okay guys, so here we go. So one of my favorite tricks for helping meal prep for the week is just chopping up the meat and preparing it. So I have one of these cool little Ziploc bag holders. I put some olive oil in there already. And I'm just putting it all in there. And then what I typically will do, I'll make a marinade or I'll put a seasoning in there. Even if I'm doing something like shish kebabs, I will even put my onions, peppers, mushrooms, whatever I'm cooking in there in with it, with the seasoning. And it saves me so much time. It is awesome. So that's gonna be great. So it is getting later now, so I think I'm gonna wrap up some food prep here because I've got a lot going on. But yeah, so we got cauliflower mash is done. Just needs to be blended up and made fancy. The steaks only need 5 minutes per side on the grill. And I'm gonna do some crunchy broccoli. Hoorah!